Welcome back to candlestick trading. In the last video, we have discussed bullish candlestick pattern, the single bullish stick candle. Today, we'll be discussing bearish candlesticks. So, in the last video, I've asked you about this candle. If you remember, is this a buying candle or is this a selling candle? So, the answer is this is a buying candle. Whenever you take a trade based on candlesticks, the color does not matter to us. What matters to us is the candlestick structure. If you have not watched the last video, please do check it out. The name of the candle is LPR. This is what we like to call it in our candlestick trading. LPR means lower price rejection. So what basically happened over here is there was a selling pressure over here, and the buyers were so strong at the support level that they took it up to this level and closed over here. Correct. Due to which the color you can see over here is red. But in trading, the color of the candle does not matter to us. Green or red, it does not matter to us. What matters to us is the structure and where it is from. So the answer is this is a buying candle. However, you will not take a trade based on one confirmation. The later on videos I'll be showing you how to take confirmation based on multi-confirmation. So please be patient with it. Okay, so let's start today's video, the bearish candlestick patterns. So the first candle is the bearish power candle. The candle opened over here, came till here and closed over here. So the color of the candle is red. This is a normal candle with the shadows up and down. The candle opened over here, came down till over here and closed over here. Okay, so due to the formation of wicks at the top and at bottom, there is some confusion where the market will move. Coming to the third candle over here, this has the quality of two candles of this and this. Okay, so what does HPR means? HPR means higher price rejection. Basically, what happens at the beginning when the candle opens, it goes up in pressure. Okay, but if the resistance is strong over here, the selling pressure will be much higher than the buying pressure, due to which the shadow formation is formed. That is shown over here with the help of this line. This is a shadow, selling pressure over here and down here. Okay, over here, candle opened over here, made a low. Same over here. The selling pressure is so big that you can see this shadow formed. Okay, now the same thing. Like I said, the color does not matter to us. The structure of the candle is good. So here, even if it's green candle and if it's formed at our zone with the help of other confirmation, you will take a trade in selling. This is also known as HPR, higher price rejection. Okay, now coming to the spring tops and dojis. Spring top and doji are basically confusion candles. Okay, the color in spring tops and doji does not matter to us at all. It's green or it's red. You will not take a trade based on spring tops and doji. You will wait for another confirmation, another pattern. Okay, so spinning tops and dojis are just confusion patterns which are formed on charts. So please wait for another confirmation. Okay, now tweezer top. I like to call it as color changing candle. Okay, so basically the spring tops are formed like this. Spring top structures are like that. Okay, but in real charts you can spot them like this. Okay, now how to identify teaser tops. Okay, it is a two candlestick pattern. The first candle that will be formed is the bullish candle. Second will be bearish candle. Sometimes the size might not be the same. It can be this, it can be like that, it can be this like this, but it can be a bit more. It means same. Okay, coming to coming over here, same bullish candle, bearish candle. There might be shadow over here at the bottom, there might be shadow over here at the bottom. The only criteria and the point to remember is the first candle should be a bullish candle and the second candle should be a bearish candle. The size should be similar. Coming over here, the shadow at the top, shadow at the top. Okay. Where do we spot them best? Where do we spot them best? We spot them at the resistance zone. We spot them at the resistance zone. So I was talking about multi-confirmation. So the first confirmation that you take always is based on candlesticks, and the second confirmation that you take is on trend line. We at Finestic Trading generally trade on multi-confirmation trades only. So I'll be discussing how to take multi-confirmations in another video. So please let us know which is the next video you want. Do you want an evening star and morning star patterns? Or do you want to understand how the pros draw trend line? So please make sure that you comment down and subscribe to the channel for next video. Thank you.